In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open your Samsung Smart TV remote to replace the batteries quickly and easily. Start by locating the battery compartment on the back of the remote. Most Samsung remotes have a small cover at the top or bottom. Look for a sliding switch, button, or indentation to release the cover. If there's no obvious button, use a coin, paperclip, or fingernail to gently pry it open. Once the cover is removed, take out the old batteries and replace them with new ones, ensuring the correct orientation of the positive plus and negative minus ends as indicated inside the compartment. Snap the cover back into place securely. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the batteries, try resetting it by removing the batteries, pressing any button for 10 seconds, then reinserting them. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using your Samsung Smart TV remote again.